Welcome to Project Spyder.
Alright, so I want to publicly thank this man because of him I could do a lot of stuff.
I don't even have a haircut, man.
Behind the scenes. So I want to say thank you,
I'm
man.
going to Gio's
house?
No, Gio's barber.
Yeah, because he has a nice cut right now.
Yeah, that's a nice cut.
Yeah. So, thank you, brother, man. Without this man...
Because I've helped him, he has volunteered to fix my
Spec Ds.
Spec Ds.
The Spec Ds are his, they're not mine. He loaned it to me.
I didn't even know you didn't tell him, sorry.
Why am I gonna change the Spec Ds? Because it wasn't mine. I wanted to mod mine, and he lent me, without question, his Spec Ds. So thank you for that. This is the final look and final stage of the wiring. I repaired all the connectors. I put a quick disconnect on both halos just to have the option, so if we want to put at the top or the bottom one. And then lastly, I cut the constant power to the turn signal right here, because I just think it's just too much going on in this headlight. Like the amber is on, those LEDs are on, and the strip is on, and then the halos are on, and then the headlight is on. Then we have the high beam, like everything is on. Like it's just too much going on. So I just want this to blink when it is time to turn, and that of course is for safety reasons. Okay, what I can do is I can turn it on like that. I could choose the color that I want. I could choose the brightness. I could choose the modes like this. Just a few modes and colors and combinations I could do. That's probably like one of my favorite ones. The different colors. Look at that. That looks really nice. I like it. There's other modes as well, like that. It's pretty cool. I like it. You can change the speed of it. You change the brightness still. You can do something subtle, something dramatic, or automatic. Look at that. Pretty cool. It has a lot of stuff here that you can play around with. As you can see, it has some copper lining right here, and that is a signal of more things to come to the build. The LEDs is not on yet, which I'm gonna wire is pretty soon. So slowly but surely, this thing is coming along, baby. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, guys, God bless. Stay free,